Hello and good morning. A warm welcome. This is Holly Shields live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney, and you're watching the early trades. Today the S&P ASX 200 is lower, dropping 0.3%. And the bottom performers today in this index include EML Payments, which has slid over 16%, and Costa Group down as well, 9.5%. Over the past week, the index has gained 0.69%, but is still down over 10% for the year-to-date period. Sectors are mixed today, with 7 of 11 lower, along with the S&P ASX 200 index. Energy is the best performer, gaining 1.27% and rebounding from its recent decline. As the ASX is in the red side, there were a few top gainers in the opening session today, including Chalice Mining, which is up 3.74%, and Sky City Entertainment up as well, 3.01%. Then Unibail Rodamco has climbed 2.47%, and Paladin Energy has inched up as well, 2.41%, and Whitehaven is up 2.3%. Meanwhile, for the stocks that were bleeding in red today, Novonix is down over 6%, Domino's Pizza as well 5.5%, and Taro Payments has slid over 4% lower today. And look at some stocks making a buzz in the opening session. Payment tech company EML Payments has welcomed Emma Shand as its new CEO and Managing Director, effective immediately. This follows the resignation of Tom Cregan, and Shand has extensive executive experience in a broad variety of operating and tech environments with diverse cultural settings. In response to the news, shares of EML were trading 16% lower in the opening session. Moving along, the board of Link Group will not recommend Dye & Durham's increased offer from $4.30 per share to $4.57. Link said it will continue to engage with the company on whether an agreed position can be reached. Link Group's financial year 2023 revenue is projected to increase by a low single-digit percentage. And shares of the company were trading 0.5% higher in the opening session today. Next up, mining giant BHP will continue to defend proceedings brought by UK Group Action after a Court of Appeal ruled the claim can proceed. The action relates to the Samarco Dam failure in Brazil in November of 2015, where 19 people lost their lives. BHP is considering whether it will seek permission to appeal the judgment to UK Supreme Court. Shares of the company were trading 1.38% lower opening session today. And looking at some important economic shifts happening around the world, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand and the Bank of Korea will meet on Wednesday this week, with further major rate hikes expected to tame inflation. South Korea's jobless data will come out on the same day, and while Australia's employment report will be released on Thursday, giving insight into the state of the economy in the second quarter. Meanwhile, China is set for a bumper week of economic data that may shape the outlook for monetary and fiscal policy for the rest of this year. Now that is a wrap on the early trades. Stay tuned for more on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields signing off.